Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you the Stigma-Rotary Force XL. The Force XL is the next evolution of Stigma's wireless tattoo machine and comes with an extra large grip to increase the comfort of artists during tattooing sessions. So let's jump right into it. Along with all of the existing features of the original, the Stigma Force XL has the addition of a forward-weighted 40mm grip. The addition of this extra large grip makes the wireless rotary easier to hold for long tattooing sessions and will assist the artist with the needle's pressure on the skin. If you already own the original Stigma Force, you can purchase the XL grip separately from Killer Inc. and simply attach it to your machine for increased comfort during work. This wireless machine is the product of many hours of engineering and development, which is reflected in its state-of-the-art and unique dual drive system. Inside the Stigma Force XL is a custom German-made Faulhaber brushless motor with dual shafts to push cartridge needles with power and precision, thus creating a superior force during use. Plus, the Stigma Force XL utilises a dual cam mechanism for isometric operation and increased robustness, allowing the rotary machine to offer many hours of non-stop runtime while requiring zero maintenance. The Force XL is powered by an advanced removable power pack featuring a built-in display and controls, along with an on-off switch and a USB-C port for charging and pass-through operation, which allows you to charge the machine while working. You can fully adjust and control parameters via the power pack, such as voltage, motion control, and a digital give and boost feature, which enables artists to set their machine to hit softer or harder in 3 levels. The power pack also offers the ability to customize and save 5 presets to swap between different voltage, give, and boost settings quickly and easily. With the digital give and boost feature, the motor within the Stigma Force XL will run in a constant mode as default, so the stitching speed of the machine will not be affected by the resistance of the skin you're tattooing. Enabling give by long pressing the down arrow will allow the rotary to respond to skin resistance and become softer. With 3 levels of give to choose from, you can adjust the sensitivity and softness to your liking. Alternatively, long press the up arrow to enable boost and ensure your Force XL will run without dropping the stitching speed, while becoming faster and punchier on difficult areas to ensure optimal results. The Stigma Force XL has a voltage range between 4 and 11 volts, with the easiest way to adjust being a handy motion control feature. This can be enabled by holding the power button down while the motor is running, then simply rotating the machine to set the voltage. When the front of the machine and needles are pointing up, the voltage is at its peak of 11 volts, whereas you can turn it to point downwards for the lowest voltage of 4 volts. You can set the voltage anywhere in between by stopping the rotation wherever feels right for you and your style of working, with the voltage then being displayed on the power pack for an accurate reading during adjustment. The sweet spot is between 5 and 9 volts, so aim for 5 to 7 for shading and 7 to 9 for lining. The power pack is also Bluetooth enabled, which allows tattoo artists to pair this wireless machine with Stigma Rotary's Pilot Foot Switch, along with the Stigma mobile app to unlock more features. The Stigma power pack is compatible with any traditional USB-A to USB-C cables. From a single charge, you can typically expect between 6 and 10 hours of working time from the Force XL, depending on what voltage you run the machine at, as well as the type of cartridges used. Speaking of cartridges, this rotary comes with interchangeable cartridge receivers, making it compatible with cartridges from all major brands, including Stigma's own advanced needle cartridges, and those with a universal sharing type connection. For those tattoo artists who don't want to use the Force XL wirelessly with the power pack, you can instead opt for the included adapter that features a protected RCA plug connection. This allows you to use the rotary with a standard RCA cable and power supply if you wish. The Stigma-Rotary Force XL has an ergonomic design, making it one of the most comfortable tattoo machines around and easy to cover and wrap for hygiene purposes. It also offers minimal vibration and noise during operation, while the anti-roll design ensures that it won't roll off your workstation when you set it down. Stigma's Force XL is available with either a 2.8, 3.7 or 4.5mm stroke length, The 2.8 version is ideal for shading. The 3.7 is a powerful all-rounded daily driver, while the 4.5 model is perfect for lining and colour packing. In terms of dimensions, the Force XL measures 32.4mm in diameter with a length of 89.5mm and weight of 166 grams without the power pack. If you attach the power pack, the length and weight of this wireless machine becomes 128mm and 227 grams respectively. Designed and assembled in Europe, the Stigma-Rotary Force XL comes in 3 colours: black, red and army green, and is available to order from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So now that you've taken a look at the Force XL, what do you think? Will you be adding Stigma's wireless tattoo machine to your workstation? As always, let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.